Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. I'm here to San Clemente Outlet for the weekly South Pole Sea Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out. Wow, what happened here? The lot is like half empty. I can only assume there's another show happening somewhere, because normally every Saturday this entire lot is filled with cars, but today, interesting. Okay, anyway, here at the start we have James's Audi R8, supercharged Audi R8. Very nice. Empty spot, empty spot. One can assume these are reserved for some supercars that's coming. And wow, it's nice. Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider in white and a very nice blue. Check out the blue caliper. Doesn't quite match the blue leather interior, but still that's a very good looking shade. And you can see crushed carbon fiber. Yeah, crushed carbon fiber. Oh, they call it forged composite. Yeah, it used to be called crushed carbon fiber, but now it's a forged composite. GT3 with a really big wing in the back. The 992 GT3, this is the latest one, and it's got a matte blue. Matte blue. All right, so what it is, this is a 3M matte wrap. So instead of clear, basically it turns the paint job into a matte finish, so it doesn't shine anymore. GT3 last generation. Nice. This Bentley? Is this a Bentley? Yeah. Or is it? What is it? Yes. Yeah. It is a Bentley. Almost didn't recognize it at first. But yeah. Bentley. Big Bentley. 992 Turbo convertible. Really nice detail here. Check that out. And perfect for California. Top down. Comes with a little wind deflector. That's cooler. So this piece here normally folds down. It comes up. Another lip comes here and blocks the wind. So you don't, when you got top down, your hair's not blowing all over the place. And check out the little lady finger shifter. Yeah, the Porsche really needs to improve that, I believe. 650 Mclaren. Another Huracan. This one has a really big wing. All right, so here's Josh. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. That's a big wing. That's a big wing. Bumper delete.
Well, it's the carbon fiber.
Yeah, oh, check out the exhaust setup there. That's interesting. Cool. I mean, no bumper. I guess the wing is now a bumper. Yeah.
Do it and you see carbon fiber.
That's a pretty good setup, Josh. And empty. Empty. Where did all the supercars go? That's the question. Okay, so let's just pretend that these cones are Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bugattis, Porsches, and McLaren. I'm sure they're somewhere. They're just not here today. So I really don't know. I've never seen the show this empty in my life. So this is really unusual. 1949 Mercury 8. Yeah, check it out. So have all the information about it, and the Mercury itself. This is a lowrider. It's on air rise. It's got the white wall tire. I love that. Mercury 8 on the wheel there, and then in the back, it's got that cover back wheel for more aerodynamic and smoothness. Little vents there. And look at that. Bench seats in the front, bench seats in the back. Humongous steering wheel, used for turning a boat. And then one of my favorite features here, the double split window. Yeah, Classic, classic. Lexus LC 500 convertible. Let's check this out. And this is actually a really nice sports car for some reason, but for whatever reason, it doesn't sell very well. Lexus don't sell too many because I guess, Lexus is known for luxury cars instead of sports cars. But this is actually a very, very nice car. And actually, I suppose the fact that it doesn't sell very well at all is a plus because, this is the only one at the show. Normally you see lots of Ferrari, Lamborghinis, and Porsches, but only one Lexus LC 500. So you want to stand out and be unique, and you don't want to spend too much money. This is a good car. I mean, rear seat's a little cramped, but it's just for kids or people with no legs. Huh. Nissan Nismo GTR. So this is I guess a send-off to the GTR. It's the fastest GTR around the Nürburgring. 7 minutes 8 seconds. You can see right there. It's bloody expensive, so that's why I didn't sell too many, because for what it costs and the performance level, there are quite a few cars made today that are much faster and much better value. But it's unique. It looks cool. These GTRs, they're very, very fast, and they're easily to modify. I mean, you could easily put your thing over 1,000 horsepower with just a turbocharger setup, or just turbo tune downpipes, and you'll be 1,000 horsepower, and you'll be able to lay weights to pretty much anything on the street. All right, check out this little thing. Yeah, and the back is up, windows are tinted, and the reason why is because I think the person is living in it. Yeah, that's right. I think he's living in this car, sleeping in this car, this tiny little thing. Okay, this is Self OC Cars and Coffee. On any other Saturday, this place is packed, but for some reason today is very, very strange, unique. So anyway, this show happens every Saturday from 9 to 11 here at the San Clemente Outlet in South Orange County. If you're in the area, you should definitely check it out. JohnShop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.